Hey there. Yeah, you. Hey guys. Okay. I'm ready. Hey, hi guys. Oh, this isn't going so well. I don't know why my voice is so high. Hi. I just can't. Take number 352. 353. Today I hit 10,000 subscribers. This is something that I honestly thought would never happen, let alone happen this quickly. And if you saw my last update video, you know that I'm actually the most awkward human and I really suck at trying to express my gratitude. So instead of trying to tell you how much I appreciate you all being here, I'm going to give you an update in this video on how I'm going to show you how much I appreciate you being here. This isn't going well. Number 1, I'm going to make sure that we get your questions answered. How many times have you heard me say,
I've been working online while traveling around the world for the past 3 years,
but I've never actually explained to you what the heck I do for work? In addition to what the heck do you actually do, I get a lot of other questions from you in my emails and DMs and Facebook messages. I want to make sure they get answered. I'm going to be doing a Q&A. Ask me literally anything. What airline would you absolutely never fly with? What companies are hiring online? What's one place you would never go back to? How do you stay healthy when you're on the road? Where would you recommend first-time solo travelers go? What's it like dating as a digital nomad? Do you have a boyfriend? Do I? I don't know. You'll have to tune into the video. Q&A rhymes with giveaway. So naturally, I thought of my 3 favorite travel products. I've mentioned them many times on this channel. And then I reached out to those companies and begged them to give me free ones that I can send to you. So I'll give all the details of how you can enter this giveaway on the Q&A video. So I'll start by taking the first questions from those who support me over on Patreon. Next, I'll take a look in the YouTube comments of this video, and then my next update, I'm going to be opening a new Facebook travel group with the link in the description for you to join, so I can take your questions there as well. The Portable Professional Travel Tribe on Facebook is the place to be. Yep, it's a mouthful, but it's open to anyone worldwide, both newbie travelers and seasoned travelers. We want to get you out there exploring more and also sharing experiences, tips, hacks, deals, all of that. So much of my life revolves around travel, and I always find these really cool opportunities or epic deals, as well as remote job opportunities that I would love a place to actually share with you. I can't tell you how frequently I get asked,
do you know a videographer that would like to come on this hike with us? It will be fully paid for, we just want some content.
Or travel writing opportunities that I just don't have the bandwidth for. I also make remote hires myself. For example, right now I'm looking for a video editor, and I would rather put these opportunities out to you as opposed to just going to a random job board. Mention the group is open to anyone worldwide. As long as you are a kind human, read all of the group rules, and believe that truly anyone can travel. We can hang out more. Okay, last update. Emails. Now, if you've ever downloaded one of my PDFs, like 50 flight hacks or 50 things to do before you leave for vacation, you've likely been added to my email list. And I have never sent you an email, but I'm going to start. I know that sounds terrible, but bear with me. It's going to be a super short, bullet point, value email, cool travel opportunities, maybe remote jobs that need to be filled, competitions you can get in on, and hopefully a few more giveaways. I'll keep bothering these brands that I love and get free stuff from them and then give it all to you because I probably already bought it for myself. It will be a short, bi-weekly email. I will not spam you, and you can unsubscribe anytime. But you totally can, but don't. Other ways we can connect are on Instagram, although I've been kind of MIA lately. I don't really check my DMs that much, so a better way to contact me would be on Patreon, Facebook, YouTube comments. Essentially anything else. And if you don't want to speak with me, but still want some good info, check out my website, portableprofessional.ca. You'll find a ton of freebies and blog articles on many of the topics that I cover here on my YouTube channel. To sum it all up, I am blown away by how quickly this channel has grown, and I just want to give back more value in any ways that I possibly can. So please submit those questions on Patreon or in the comments below. Let me know what I can answer for you, and check out the Portable Professional Travel Tribe Facebook group. Wow, that's a mouthful. Regrets, but I'm sticking with it. Thank you again so much for being here. And if you can think of anyone that would enjoy these videos, please, please, please share this channel. And join me on my mission to help show that anyone, regardless of gender, age, income, race, fear, can travel. Travel really is the best teacher. It's challenging, it's fun, it gives us all a little bit of a new perspective, and it shows that regardless of where we live, or what color our skin is, or what language we speak, we really aren't that different. That's it for me today. Don't forget to leave your questions on Patreon, on the YouTube description below, or in that Facebook travel group. I hope to see you there. Thanks again for being here. Catch you Tuesday. Bye.